the first time. Shook hands, your grip was so tight. I didn't wanna let go. Don't know what it was, the way it made me feel. Sparks flew and it felt so real. I think you should know. I was dying to kiss you, dying to lose myself in your eyes. I was dreaming of running away with you. We talk until the sunrise. Don't know what I'm getting into, 'cause I don't think I got you. But I miss you, and I'm dying to kiss you. We talked for an hour or two, last ones left in the room. I was waiting for you. Body so still I couldn't breathe. I was hoping that you wouldn't leave. Why couldn't you see?